Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. And I did a poll last night about the iOS 18.0 battery life, that are you facing battery issues on iOS 18.0 update? And there were 63% yes, and people are facing battery is not good. They are facing battery draining issues and many more. So I thought, why not make a video in which I will talk about how you can get a better battery life on the iOS 18.0. Since I'm running iOS 18.0 from the June WWDC 24, I started using developer beta 1, and now I am right now using 18.1 public beta 1, although I use 18.0 for a couple of days. But in this video I want to talk about how you can get a better battery life on the 18.0 and how you can enhance the battery life. Before that, I want to show you the battery life of my device. So going into settings, going into the battery over here, let the battery stats load over here, going to the last 10 days, and it's been a couple of days that iOS 18.0 is out. And if I show you this day, on this day I was using 18.0, as you can see, I used 100% of my phone, 100% of my battery, and I got 7 hours 55 minutes screen on time. The main reason is I was quite active on this game. It was a very heavy game and consumes a lot of battery. Then I was also active on YouTube, Instagram, and some other applications. If I go to the next day over here, again I consumed almost 75% of my battery, and the screen on time is also quite decent over here. Quite active on WhatsApp while on a video call, then updating my apps because 18.0 apps were also coming out, and quite active on YouTube and some other applications. So from this you can conclude that I do have a decent battery life on my device, and I don't have any issues with the battery life at all. So yeah, for me battery life is going good, but still people are facing issues, so I want to talk about that in this video. So let's begin and let's talk about how you can get a better battery life on your device. So let's begin with the settings. You need to do this settings, and it will take a couple of days again to get better. It is not something like that if you follow these settings and battery will dramatically become better. It's gonna take definitely at least 2 days to get stable. So follow all these settings, and I'm hoping that you will get a much better battery life. So let's begin with the very first thing. You need to go into your settings, then to the privacy and security, go to the location services, and over here customize your location services according to your choice. For example, over here I choose never for this app. While using for this app, never here, never here. There are some applications that you don't want them to use your location, so just select it for on never select this always option over here. If you select this option, it will be consuming your battery life in the background. It will keep the location turned on in the background. It is important to customize these according to your choice. If there's any application, for example, you want your Google Maps to use your location, you can select that while using the app. If you totally don't want the application to use it, for example, I don't use Home at all, so I don't want it to use my application, so it is set to never. So customize the location services according to your choice. It will help you to improve your battery life. Now go all the way down over here. There are another option over here, as you can see, system services. Go over here and now customize the system services according to your choice. For example, find my iPhone location for this is turned on, as you can see, but for the HomeKit it is turned off. I can turn this on too, but it doesn't matter at all because I don't use this one, so it will be consuming location without any reason. It will taking my more battery without any reason, so it is better to customize the settings according to your choice. Also over here there are product improvement over here. These are not something to do with you, it is for Apple. They are trying to improve their services by using your stats and location, so just turn these off. You don't need to have turned them on. They also consume a lot of your battery, so just turn them off. Now go back over here, go back from here. Over here there is the tracking option. By staying in the privacy and security, there is a tracking option. Go over here. Now turn off the tracking for every other application off. What it does, if this is on, it will be keep tracking your device and push ads on your apps. You don't need this. just turn them off. They consume a lot of battery. By turning them off, you can save a lot of battery on your device, which is going to be a very good option. So just turn them off. Go back from here. Okay, so moving to the next one, go all the way down over here. Again, in same privacy and security menu, over here there is an option of analytics and improvements. So go over here, turn these look things off too. Also, as you can see, everyone is off. Turn this off too. By turning this off, it is not sharing any sort of data with Apple. If this setting is turned on, it will be sharing data with the Apple to improve the iPhone. However, it will be running services in the background that will consume battery life. To save battery life, it is important to turn these settings off and you will be able to get a better battery life. Now go back, there is Apple advertising option over here. Go over here, turn the personalized ads off too. It is also going to help to save a lot of battery. Once you have done these things, you're good to go with the privacy and security. You have done pretty much many things off, so don't need to worry about anything. Now go back from here, go on the top, go into general, then go to the background app refresh. Now customize the background app refresh according to your choice. For example, if you are a WhatsApp user, you need to active WhatsApp even in the background, because it will give you notifications, call notifications, and many other things. As you can see, WhatsApp in the background app refresh is turned on. But however, here is a news application. It doesn't matter if the news application is turned off in the background, right? So turn off this application from here. Just like this, if you don't want to use any application in the background, just turn them off. There is no need to turn them on. As you can see, by doing this, you will be able to save a lot of battery for your iPhone, which is going to help you a lot. So these are some of the ways, some of the settings that you can apply, and after applying these settings, you will be able to save a lot of battery life on your iPhone. So far I am using 18.1 public beta 1, and even after coming on this, I'm having a really good battery life. Everything is working really fine. I was getting questions, people were asking me that should they update to the 18.1 or what 18.1 is offering them. Well, I will suggest you to stay on 18.0. that is the official release. Enjoy the official release. If you're facing any sort of problem, I believe that Apple will come out with a solution. But if you have any sort of problems, just let me know in the comment section below. But it is always better to stay on the public version. Betas are not suggested at all. Also, 18.1 is bringing Apple Intelligence features that are for the 15 Pro models, but for the other iPhone there is call recording, some minor changes. I did a video about that yesterday. That video is also available on my channel. In that video I did a call recording demo and many other things. You can check out that video and learn what is new for the 18.1 other than the Apple Intelligence. Well, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.